good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, wow, Atana feels so bad. Like, so bad. I feel so bad saying it because I haven't been removing videos for the longest time. And if you ask me my excuse, I've been so busy. For real, nimekuwa busy. And you'll get to know that today. Like, why I am always busy. Why I don't remove content. Yeah, that is GTT, imagine, because sina excuse, nimekuwa tu busy. Zile tu shughuli mi hufanya hainiallow kupata time ya ku record video. I know niko na sauti mbaya. Msiniambie hapo kwa comment section, ndio nimeamka. And I thought, why not? Let me just do a video today nione kutendaje. Na ndio hii video natoa. Anyway, hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Wejimo Kinyanjui. Welcome guys. So today's plan, I don't have a plan. I'll just take you through my day. You guys see what I do on a normal busy day. Yeah. So ndio nimeamka. Literally, I'm not joking. Sijafungua curtain, nimefungua tu side moja. Ati ndio nipate lighting. Because it's easier. So yeah, let me wake up and make my bed. Yeah, then I go start doing something because I have to do something. Yeah. Tell me why the sink looks like this. A house full of grown-ups. Tell me why a sink looks like that. Oh my guys, as I said, ndele mahindi yangu nitaka kutoa mbosho niekele githeri. Yeah. So let me just place you guys somewhere. Yeah, that's the
Only mimi ameshindwa kusema that's the brother. This is the brother.
That's the brother umeharibia tu video naona. Yeah, that's the brother. Lakini hawakujua. Si ati hawakujui for now.
Jani.
Si ati hawakujui for now. So nganga kunanga kurudi. Oh.
Kuni. Sisi huko tulikuwa tunapika na kuni huko sana.
Finally imewaka. Why do the smallest pain hurt? Like, nimetoka kungodia kidheri na kuiturn and everything. Nikasongesha kuni, and let me just tell you, it has pricked my finger. It is a big cut. Inakaa ndogo lakini ni kubwa. So niko hapa kwa tap naimwagilia maji kwa sababu nasikia uchungu, na sitaki kuweka chumvi juu nasikia uchungu tena once. So oh my gosh. Baby girl afai kuwa anasha kuni. Either way. Seriously. So let me drink tea. Let me drink my breakfast. Sasa it's 11. Let me drink my breakfast. And then I wash the house. It's still bleeding. Like,
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling I'm feeling I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling I'm feeling I'm feeling I'm feeling I'm feeling high. feeling high. I'm feeling.
I'm actually done washing the house, washing the utensils. Githeri shaiva, nimekelea mbosho, nimefagia compound. So I'm just resting like for 2 minutes. Alafu I cook lunch because people in this house have to eat. Wow, have to eat. Yeah, then it's what? Let me check the time. It's 13:39. So I'll be done with all those work by 2:30. By 3 nitakuwa nimosha vyombo. So from 3:30 I'll be preparing myself to work because I have a night shift. You see why I'm recording videos? Because I have work and like kujipanga, nataka kujipanga, najua kusema YouTubers wengine wanafanyanga hivyo na hivyo na hivyo. It's fine, wanafanyanga and everything, but it's exhausting. Hawasemangi it's exhausting. It is very exhausting. That's why I've been taking time, my sweet time. Yeah. So let me drink my water, quench my thirst, then I just cook because nikianza kujipe uvivu itakuwa mvivu kweli. So let me just go cook. Yeah. As you all can see, the house is sparkling clean. Like it's really clean. In short, everything is clean as I said. Here's my githeri and I know. Let me just start crying right now. Everything is clean. You can imagine everything. Done. Ta-da! I love how it's a Monday and everything is falling into place. Kwa sababu nimetoka kuambia tu sahi I want to cook lunch in the next 30 minutes. Wacha niambie. Imeiva na 10 minutes. Cause why? Cause of why? Nimesema mimi ni nani nianze kupika a fresh lunch nini na kuna githeri nimetoka kuchemsha hapa sini karange and tada, it only needed kitunguu, nyanya, dania and my lunch is ready and as you can see hadi mbosho zimeiva, so I can finally sit down, at least relax for that 1 hour watu akikulanga and everything. Hiyo saa 9 ikifika sasa nanioshe vyombo. So you see, I normally get like 30 minutes rest ama 1 hour rest. So kasa hii niko na 1 hour rest. Awa kikulanga and everything, mi nitakuwa na chill kwa sababu ndo nimekunywa breakfast tu sahi. Like yeah, so I'm about to do something and I'm also continue to vlog, so I don't think hiyo shida yenu. Nimetoka kuchafua vyombo na hiyo ndio chai kidogo imebaki hapo kwa jugs, nimalizie tu hapo. So yeah, I'm done cooking, I'm done doing everything, so I want to start doing my skincare wakikulanga nikichill. Yeah. So as I let this sit in, nitakuwa naosha vyombo, the vyombo za lunch zenye nilikuwa nafaa kuosha. And then I packed, seriously, I packed everything. Nikaosha the sufurias and now I just want to wash the vyombos. Just aziko nyingi. And then yeah, bath, change. Okay, so I am done bathing and changing. Simple. I'm a simple person. Even ndio ninakaa, I'll stand up. I want to explain something. I'm a simple person. Siwezi vaa extravagant na nenda night shift. Nenda night shift kama nimevaa sijui vizuri nini naenda kuona wagonjwa. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing simple, of which I'll go change tena nivae uniform. So this is my work bag and that is my clothes bag yenye iko na clothes kwa sababu I have night shift na sioni nikirudi huku the next day because also Tuesday I have night shift. So I'll just stay at my uncle's place, so nitaacha bag huko. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Oh, this is my outfit. Ndava rabas. Just this, nothing more. My work bag iko na uniform, pouch bag yenye iko na necessities and earphones, earpods, power bank, wallets. Yeah, iko na clothes, lotion, eye pencil, toothbrush, marash, and my socks and scarf and sweater. Yeah, that's all. So see you maybe at the hospital, or if not, this video will have to end here. But I think mtaniona kwanza hosi, like a briefly thing, then yeah. So yeah, bye. Akinachelewa. So guys, I have just arrived. I need to change to my uniform. Hapa huku juu ndio changing room na men's wardrobe, lakini hii hapa ndio changing room. Kwa kwingine kote ndio men's wardrobe. Yeah. So as I was, see you in 2 minutes. I have changed and I've come to my uncle to drink tea. And this is how I look. So I'll drink tea when I finish drinking tea, back to work. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you had a nice time viewing this video. Either way, have a nice day, have a good night, and see you on the next vlog.